Hello, how's it going? I'm Edward and I created this channel just to talk about finances in general, hoping to provide and share value through my videos. So stay for finance, not me, just stay for finance. So today we'll be talking about how you will be able to invest and store Bitcoin safely, step by step. Also be talking about how to generate some passive income and interest with cryptocurrency as well. Cryptocurrency hasn't been the most reputable place to invest your money in, but the space has grown a lot throughout the years, but there are still a lot of scammers out there. I want to make sure that nobody will be taken advantage of through scams like this. It's usually done through the comment section on social media. There's even someone that's impersonating Elon Musk to scam people on Twitter. These accounts will actually reply to tweets and promote a scam where Elon Musk is allegedly giving away free cryptocurrency. These scams are something like they'll ask you to send over 1 Bitcoin and they will be sending over 2 Bitcoins for you. It's obviously a scam, right? It's still good to be true. I personally think that if you have all your money in Bitcoin and Ethereum is not a good idea, but not having any money in it is not a good idea as well. So hopefully you'll find this video useful for your investments in Bitcoin. I might be biased in this video because I do invest my money into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and my money has grown quite a lot since then. And I personally think that there are a lot more room to grow for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Major people in the space are even predicting the price of Bitcoin to go to 100,000 and also Ethereum to 10,000 by the end of this year. Yeah, it sounds fun, right? Yeah, this all comes off really fun, but do make sure that you know what cryptocurrency is, and which I hopefully will be able to share through this video. I hope you'll be liking this video and this will help out a lot, and also consider subscribing to this channel because it took me a very long time to make this video. So I'm not a licensed financial advisor or any sort of professional. There are a lot more smarter people in the crypto space. Do make sure that you take the info you see on social media carefully, do your own research, and only invest with what you're comfortable with into cryptocurrency. So let's get into buying cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. What I'm looking for in a platform to invest in should be safe and easy to use. So first, you have to make sure that the platform is safe and is also approved by the security commissions in your country. Next is to make sure that the platform is easy to use and does not require a scale to operate a tank to use. There are a lot of brokerage out there that are super complicated. Yeah. So my favorite cryptocurrency brokerage is actually Luno. That's the one I personally use. It's available in countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Australia, UK, and more. So you can check it out. And I'll be dropping a link down there that you can use to sign up and earn some Bitcoin. So this is what you do while signing up. Just click on the link, then you type in your email and your password that is secured. Make sure that it's not a password like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of password, because you're investing your money into this account. So head over to your email and confirm it. After you sign up, you have to make sure that your account is safe and no one can steal your Bitcoin through 2-factor authentication. You can go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Google Authenticator app. This basically makes sure if another person has your email and your password and they'll still not be able to log in and do anything harmful to your Bitcoin unless they have physical access to your phone, but make sure they don't. I don't know, if you're kidnapped or something, throw your phone away. Let's get back into it. So once it's completed, you will see a 6-digit number that recycles itself every few seconds. Luno will then ask for this 6-digit number whenever you log into the account and to make sure that it's you. Another way to be secured is to turn off the send cryptocurrency feature on Luno whenever you're not sending cryptocurrency anywhere, just to be safe. The next step is to fund your account, and this can be done through instant transfer or bank transfer. I personally use the FBX instant transfer, but they do charge a small fee of 70 cents and I'm fine with it. So this can be easily done through FBX payment system, which is safe and secure. It's as easy as buying an item online. Once you've funded your account, it's time to buy some Bitcoin. On the front page, you'll see 4 cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. I personally only go for Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the most legitimate projects out there. They are also the first one as well, and they have a lot of room to grow. I personally believe that Bitcoin is here to replace gold, which will then become the digital standard for gold. If that happens, we are looking at Bitcoin to go over the market cap of gold, which is $10 trillion. And Ethereum will then be programmable money, which is the equivalent to cash. It's money which has a larger market cap. I also think that the market cap value of Ethereum will surpass those of Bitcoin, but not on value per coin. On the front page, let's say you will want to invest into Bitcoin. Just click into Bitcoin and enter the amount you're comfortable investing with. Okay, select your currency wallet and you can choose from investing once off, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your situation. You then ask for your Face ID and it's done. You've bought into Bitcoin. That's it. Hold it forever. Hodu. And we'll go to the moon. After you purchase your amount of Bitcoin, there's 2 paths you can take to storing your Bitcoin. A hot wallet and cold wallet. A hot wallet is where you keep it online and you have instant liquidity with it. Your Bitcoin can be sold right away or trade with other coins in the exchange. You can also make it earn interest on a different website. All of this sounds great, but you do have to trust the exchanges and the businesses that will keep your money safe from all those next level hackers, scammers on the internet. So as for the cold wallet, it's actually the safest route. Is where you actually take your money offline and put it into the blockchain through something like a Ledger Nano wallet. I personally go for the hot wallet route because I believe you should always be earning passive income and interest with your money. So it's no different to cryptocurrency for me. What I like to use is BlockFi. So if you want to follow this route, make sure that you follow these few steps very carefully. I'll be providing a link down there that you can use to sign up for BlockFi that you can earn some Bitcoin as well. Go to the app and click on deposit and select on the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit into the account. Select it and you see the link right here. It's actually your public wallet address. So copy that number with the page icon and paste it on your brokerage. So let's go back to Luno. Hit on your wallet and hit send. Choose your crypto and paste the Bitcoin public wallet address here. You have to make sure that the numbers on both BlockFi and Luno match up, because if one digit goes missing, your money goes missing too. So yeah, make sure that it's all identical on both BlockFi and Luno. One good thing with BlockFi is that they work closely with one of the most prominent exchanges for digital currency, which is Gemini. Most of the money that's kept on BlockFi is kept on a cold storage wallet with Gemini. Another thing with BlockFi, if you take a look at the investor relations page, you'll see a lot of respectable venture capital companies that are in there backing them. So this is something you can consider, and it's what I personally use as well to earn some interest. Passive income. Passive income! If you do not want to go through all this hassle and keep it in storage, you're actually going for unnecessary risk while not earning any interest on your Bitcoin as well. You should consider sending your cryptocurrency to a cold storage wallet, which is completely offline. Through one of these, the most popular choices out there are the Treasure and the Ledger Stick, whatever you call it. This is the safest way to store your Bitcoin so far. Nobody has ever got access or hacked into. Once you receive the stick, it comes with a list of key phrases that are actually your private wallet address. You will have to write it down and keep it somewhere safe and make sure that nobody has access into it as well. Not your close ones, not anyone, because it should be secured as like an ATM pin. So yeah, so if you lose the stick, you'll still be able to restore your Bitcoin through your key phrases. Now we've covered up all the important steps to buying and storing your Bitcoin. You're a crypto expert right now. So yeah, you just have to be responsible, do your own research, invest with what you're comfortable with, and make sure that it's safe and secure. I personally think that Bitcoin will take off, especially after companies like Tesla, they're investing $1.5 billion into it, and more companies in the S&P 500 will follow as well. So that's what I believe. So yeah, I think Bitcoin will be going to the moon. Right, I think that's it. So We'll talk again. Bye bye.